Hello guys, in this video we'll be creating this neon glow button using only HTML and CSS. When you hover over it, it's gonna change the background color like this and all sort of stuff. Alright then, let's get started. Alright guys, this is my project setup. We have a JavaScript folder and CSS folder. So I just created this boilerplate and let's name our title neon button, and let's create a div. We're gonna name it button container. Alright, let's have a button, let's call it shop actually. Last name, we're gonna call it neon button. Neon button's more good, so yeah, this is the button. So that's it for the HTML part. Let's go to the CSS part. Alright guys, let's create a CSS file. CSS styles, I got name is style.css, styles.css. Alright, let's do this. Margin, make it 0, padding 0, box size and border box, and let's select our HTML body. Let's set our background color to black. Hash 0D 0D 0D. It's not working. Let's link it to our HTML. Link start the CSS. Alright, now it's applied. Let's select our button container. Let's do the classic way to center our button. So position absolute, left 50%, top 50%, and let's see. Okay, let's transform it. Translate 50% minus 50% left and right, and the top minus 50% as well. And Gucci. Alright, let's select our button, neon button. We actually name it neon button, right? Let's see. Yep, neon button. Alright. Let's give it a pattern of 20 pixels and width 250 pixels, and border with 5 pixels solid, and we're gonna pick mark color 00AF91. This is my color, model color. Of course the background color should be transparent. Of course you can see the text because the background is black. So let's color our text to the same color as that. Of course you can choose any color. I'm gonna choose this color because I love it. Border radius, let's set it up to 10 pixels. Alright, that's awesome. And font size, let's give it 50 pixels. Alright, it's more good. And let's give it a shadow, box shadow. 0 5 pixels, 30 pixels, same color of course, and you see some glow, and that's good. And 5 pixels there. Looks decent actually. Let's do the text shadow. Text shadow, man. Text shadow. 0 and 20 pixel. 20 pixel. Let's see how it looks great. Looks great. 0. Do the next one. 0, 15. Let's give it the same color. Save it. Looks good. Looks good. Let's give it a cursor pointer. So pointer. Put transition. 0.5 seconds. Alright, that's good. Now we do the hover. When you hover over it, it changes the background to the color that I like. So neon button, background color should be this color that I like. Greenish color. Alright, of course I should give hover. Alright, now it's good. Hover it. Nice. Alright, let's change the text color to black. Alright, now white's better. White. Yeah. Hover it, change the white. Alright. We want to be more glowy when we hover over it, so we just take the box shadow, 0, 5 pixels and 100 pixels. Alright, let's give it a comma. Let's see how it looks. It looks okay, it's alright. Let's give it some 15 pixels and same color. Alright, looks fantastic to be honest. Right, looks awesome. Alright guys, we've just finished created our neon button. The button looks dope to be honest. Oh, that looks fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you in the next video.